Hi, my name is Jaume Arnau and I am 16 years old. They came into my school and Christian contacted me. First of all, they explained to me all the different careers and training possibilities in the blue economy. I learned about many new careers that I didn't know before. When I showed some interesting in a careers related to see the offers me personal mentoring. Then I had a mentoring session in the Teach office in Calador. I learned about all the training possibilities with the blue sector in Mallorca. I even participated in the BlueGeneration conference, where I learned even more. I had a second mentoring and I learned about the available vet studies in Mallorca and the inscription process. I am studying a vet nautical course and I am currently working in the marina of Camp Picafort as a sailing instructor. Thanks to all the information and mentoring I received from the BlueGeneration team, I have learned about all the careers possibilities they see has to offer, and now I am happily working in Camp Picafort.